Hey Jake, it's great to finally sit down and chat. I realized we've never really had a proper conversation. Tell me about yourself.
Sure, Emma. Well, I'm originally from Chicago, but I've been living here in New York for about 3 years now. What about you?
Oh, nice. I'm actually from Boston. I moved here 2 years ago for work. What do you do for a living?
I work in graphic design. I love creating visual content and bringing ideas to life. What about you?
That sounds awesome. I'm a software developer. I enjoy solving problems and building applications. Do you have any hobbies?
Yeah, I'm really into photography. I love capturing moments and exploring new places. How about you?
I love hiking and reading. There's something so relaxing about being in nature and getting lost in a good book. Do you have a favorite book?
Hmm, tough question. I'd say To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. It's a classic. What about you?
I love Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. It's such a beautiful story. Do you have any pets?
I have a cat named Whiskers. He's quite the character. Do you have any pets?
I have a dog named Max. He's a golden retriever and full of energy.
Sounds like a fun companion. So, what's your favorite food?
I'd say sushi. I love trying different types. What's yours?
Pizza, hands down. You can't go wrong with a good slice of pizza. Do you have any favorite travel destinations?
I love visiting Europe. Paris is my favorite city. What about you?
I've always wanted to go to Japan. The culture and food fascinate me. What's your favorite thing about living in New York?
I love the diversity and the energy of the city. There's always something to do. What about you?
I agree. Plus, the food scene here is incredible. Have you tried any interesting restaurants lately?
Yes. I recently went to a new Italian place in Brooklyn. The pasta was amazing. Do you cook at all?
I try to. I'm not a great cook, but I enjoy experimenting in the kitchen. What about you?
I love cooking. It's a great way to relax after a long day. Do you have any hidden talents?
I can juggle. It's a random skill I picked up in college. Do you have any hidden talents?
I play the piano. It's something I've been doing since I was a kid.
That's impressive. We should start a band juggling and piano. Laughs.
That would be interesting. So, do you have any goals for the future?
I'd like to travel more and maybe start my own design studio. How about you?
I want to learn more programming languages and maybe write a book someday.
That's awesome. What kind of book would you write?
Probably a novel. I have a few ideas, but nothing concrete yet.
Sounds exciting. It's great to have dreams and aspirations.
Definitely. It's been great getting to know you better, Jake. Definitely. It's been great getting to know you better, Jake.
Same here, Emma. Let's chat again soon.
Absolutely.